For 75 years, we've been building and installing ours one way.
The Wallside Way.
In 1944, Wallside Windows was started by this man, Martin Blank, with the promise,
"You'll save money, let me prove it."
We build our windows right here in our own factory.
What matters to me? 2 words: customer satisfaction.
Of course, you don't last at Wallside
if you don't do things the right way.
the Wallside Way.
For 75 years, nothing is left to chance.
because nothing is left to another company.
Wallside does it all.
I sell them.
I build them.
I install them.
I stand behind them.
I love selling Wallside Windows because whatever I promise a customer,
I know we can deliver.
I'm getting new windows.
We love them. We're more than a company, we're a family.
We're family.
We're a family.
I started at Wallside 38 years ago.
19 years.
24 years.
30 years.
I started at Wallside in 1986.
I started a year later.
We build windows that last.
And it lasts.
Just like me.
And me. Just like us.